In this video, I'm going to show you how Drawtify can help you easily create beautiful vector graphics without any prior experience or design skill. Hey there, my name is Saurabh and I'm going to be reviewing Drawtify. Drawtify is a user-friendly vector graphic design tool that is perfect for people with no prior experience or design skills. So if you're looking to create some beautiful designs for your next project, then keep watching. And if you're new to this channel is all about latest software and info products review, so that you can make an informed buying decision. So before we move on, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. So Drawtify is your all-in-one graphic design tool which you can use to create vector graphics. By vector graphics, I mean the graphics which you can zoom in and they still remain in a high resolution. So you could create these logos, you can create icons, you can create infographics, you can create animated logos. You can also create different covers, different posts for your social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and lot more. And the good thing about Drawtify is that you do not have to pay on monthly basis. I will come to the price point a bit later on in this video, and it's just very affordable as compared to the other competitors like Canva, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and all these other tools require some learning experience. You need to have knowledge of graphic design to use those tools like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. But Drawtify, anybody can use it without any kind of prior experience. You do not need to be a graphic designer to use it. So let me now just take you inside the members area of Drawtify and show you around. So this is how it looks like, and on the top you will see this bar which shows the dashboard, and you have got your profile option. From here you can view your profile, and from on this top bar you can also go straight to all these different templates. But for some reason these are not working. When I select these templates, they do not work. So this is something which the Drawtify team needs to fix. But the real magic is all on the left hand side. Let me just do it like this so that you can see it properly. Now okay, so you could create logos, a text logo, graphic logo, motion logo, and you could create the graphics for your business like business card, certificate, resume, greeting card, and for your marketing efforts, and for the social media I told you about. And on this side of the dashboard you will see all these different templates which are available. So you could either start from here by clicking on this new blank template, and you can set your height, width, and choose the appropriate design component for this. Or you can go on the left side and select any one of these options, whichever you want to create. Let's say I want to create a resume, so I click on that, and all the different templates for a resume comes here. So all I can do, there are various premium templates as well which will be available with your premium plan. With the free plan you got these two templates. So let's say I want to edit this template, so I just click on it and it will open up this editor. So let's say you click on this image, and then from here you get all these different options to transform this image. And let me show you this image filter. So you could select different filters for this image. You can resize the mask, edit clip path, and you can basically customize this image. And similarly, let's say I want to change this text, so I just double click on it and I just put my name here, and I just do it like this. And from here I can choose the different text. If I want a different text, I can select it from here, and the size I can choose. So all these different options are available. You got the option for fill, stroke, style, and various elements. There is a lot of things going on in this editor window, and from here you can also select different text. If you want to add text, you can do it from here. And you have got the other option for if you want to add any shapes and icons. Let's say you want to add this thing somewhere here, you could do that. So there are tons and tons of options. So this is for the infographic elements. If you want to add something more, you could do that. Let's say you want to add this thing, and all these elements are totally customizable. As you can see, just take a mouse in it, and you can customize them. Let me increase the size of it so that you can see it better. And similarly, you have got these option for element templates and page templates. So again, you can choose a different template from here as well. And from here you could also choose different images. So these are the images you will get from Unsplash. So let's say you want to put a different image of a city, for example. So you will get all these copyright free images which you can use. And you could also easily change the background from here. And the palettes, there is this upload. If you want to upload your own image, you could do that. Then you have got this tools option where you get the barcode, QR code, chart. So if you want to add a barcode, you could do it from here. And this layer list is basically all the layers which are there in this particular graphic at the moment. So you could see, if I click on it, you could see this particular layer is this. So you, this Drawtify supports multiple layer, and you can easily edit anything. Let's say you want to edit this piece, so just click on it and you could edit this. If you want to hide a particular thing, you can just click on this eye icon and it will be hidden. Just click it back and it will be visible again. So this is how you can easily customize any graphic, any design in Drawtify. And it is very simple. Again, as I said, you do not need to be a graphic designer to use these templates and use Drawtify. It is built for anybody who needs to design some graphics, who has some interest, has some need, and they can use Drawtify without spending too much money. Now, talking about the pricing, let me show you the pricing for Drawtify. So this is the pricing on the official website. So they've got a free plan and it's totally free. You get some free templates which you can use, which is good enough that if you just have to create a couple of graphics. But if you want to use it for your business, you've got this yearly plan of $99, and they've also got a monthly plan of $14.99. But I'm going to give a special deal for you, a lifetime deal for Drawtify, which you can take it just for $79.95. Yes, this is the one-time price. This is a one-time lifetime deal which I'm going to give to you. So the link to access this deal will be in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. And you are not going to get a better deal than this $79. So instead of getting this for 99 for yearly, you will get it for 79. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions about Drawtify, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. And please make sure to watch the other videos which are coming up in the sites right now. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.